Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change driving assistance settings in Forza Motorsport. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then go for driving assist. It should be first option right here. Now you'll be able to adjust driving assist options. There's a global assist preset, heavy assist, maximum assist and moderate assist. There's suggested line that you can enable with a full option, braking only or turn it off entirely. Then there's braking partially assisted or fully assisted, or you can enable or disable ABS. There's also throttle option, and you can go with assisted or not as unassisted. Then we have steering. Steering can be set to fully assisted, partially assisted, normal or simulation. And I think when it's on simulation, okay, never mind, sorry. Next is allow manual steering into pit, which you can enable or disable. Then there's traction control that you can change to on, sport or off. Stability control, which you can enable or turn it into sport or turn it off entirely. And there's also shifting that you can switch to automatic, manual or manual with clutch. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.